to the big
Well, you could just
I'll put it over it.
take it away from it. And
Oh, is that it? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, drag it
big
over
red
there.
cup and whatever.
Oh no, can't have that.
Get rid of those.
Link, sit on the bed. Just lean up. Sit on it like you're sitting up in bed. Put your back against the other bit.
Oh, hey. Don't fall asleep.
Yeah.
Get the dogs up there.
It's got dust all over it.
Yeah, really nice pieces. I got a pizza tonight at this
Oh, right.
Bella Napoli. Finish up with that. But this it's not big and fatty. It's really beautiful. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you the rest of some of the furniture up here. There's some of the things we made.
What is this room now?
Oh, it's like a showroom.
He's selling all these.
Yeah, we're going to sell them all.
Did you make any of these?
Yeah, I made that stool just there.
Which one?
This one.
Stool. This she oak. Jar.
Jarabelle.
Jar. Now that's a big jar. She oak. She oak. Jar. What's this? Is this Dad? What's this?
The bed in. That's the bed I made.
No, what wood?
Cedar.
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 Queensland cedar. There's a dog. That'll be the other showroom.
Oi.
Otherwise people can't be busy. See as much as they get for it, you don't see, you see through that, so it's
The pie looks good on it, right?
Yeah.
yeah, you won't see it once the mattress is on it, but it works well.